Hey, TY38, let me tell you something about this vlog, bro. It's unique.
Make sure you follow my boy, share all the stuff, subscribe, share it with your people, man. He's the voice of the streets, voice of the community, voice of business, voice of black culture, man. Make sure y'all listen to your boy.
Detail World, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We done made it to this first stop, man, out here in Belmead, Tennessee. We actually doing this Range Rover, Land Rover. You know, I say Land Rover because it's a Land Rover, Range Rover. But this is probably a SCH Sport, but you know what I mean? It's a little special edition. I do a lot of these cars, and a lot of these things come a little different. It's got dirty the wheels here, but this is, well, no matter. We just know it's a Range Rover. But if you look at it, like I said, it's the autobiography edition. And the one thing about this edition, it has this console. A lot of these Range Rovers do not have this middle console like this. They usually have it where you can walk past. So this is more like a presidential kind. So you know what I mean? More like you're getting escorted around. You got the TVs and the monitors in the back. You know, your typical debris. You see the doors, got the speakers, so I can imagine it got some great sound in here. You got a speaker in here, plus tweeters right here. Got some speakers right here. So, and then some right there in the back. So I can imagine the sound system in this car is amazing, because the sound system in my car is beautiful. Plus here you go again, more speakers right here. Another speaker right here. Speaker right here. And yeah, that's about it. But if you look at the car, man, it's about dirty. So we're gonna get in here and make sure we clean it up, get the car up to par. Make sure we give it a great cleaning. Wipe down these seats real good. Give it a good vacuum and make sure we wipe down all this plastic and panels and things like that. But it's a beautiful day. We got 3-4 more appointments to do. Then we got to do some work at FedEx today. But I'm gonna go ahead and work on the exterior of the car already. I already got most of the equipment. I already got the max out. I need to go take the pressure washer to get looked at. It's been acting a little weird the last few days, but on that note, it's nothing we can't handle over here. Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So I hope you take pride in whatever you got going on, man. And on that note, like always, do what you got to do, and I'm gonna do what I got to do, or I'm gonna do what I got to do, so you can do what you got to do. And I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail World, what it do, what it do, what it do. We done got this first car done of the day, which is this Land Rover, Range Rover Autobiography HSE edition, Sport edition, man. Car looks wonderful. Got the car looking great. You remember how dirty those wheels were? They had a great look. So we got the car looking immaculate. We're gonna go ahead and give you a quick glimpse of the interior. Not too bad, came out well too. We had to wipe down all the doors, get inside the pockets, get all the debris. Make sure we wipe down all this wood and stuff like that. Clean the seats, clean the cup holder, wipe down all the monitors. Make sure all the glass is clean, stuff like that. But we got the car completely knocked out, man. We about to get ready to head to the next appointment, which is not too far from here. And that's the best thing. You know what I mean? A lot of my work mostly in the same area today. But like I said, you see it, the car came out well. You remember all the typical debris it had, things of that nature. But I'm gonna catch y'all at the next one, man. And I'm gonna holler at y'all later, man. And on that note, like always, peace. Detail World, y'all already know what it do. Y'all tell me what it do, because I already tell y'all what it do. But we done made it to this second appointment. We about to do this Tesla Y model. This not an X. You know, the X is the one that got the doors that actually go up. This is actually the Y model. So I think Tesla actually got like 4 versions of their car. 4 or 5 versions. But we about to go ahead and work on the exterior first. Then we're gonna get in here and knock out the exterior. But if you look, these door jambs in these cars, man, stay pretty dirty. So we're gonna make sure we get in there and clean the door jambs properly. Get in here and vacuum it real good. It's been a while since I cleaned this car. I know you had gotten in an accident and the car was totaled or something like that or something. But anyway, we about to get in here, work on the exterior first, then work on the interior. But if you look at the interior, it's pretty dirty. You got your typical debris, your sticks, twigs. We get in here and clean these seats. Like I always tell you, you gotta move those seats because the dirt be hiding. So get in here and clean all the cup holders, things like that. Get in here in the back. Luckily, he don't have any dog hair, so that's the best thing about it. We don't have to deal with any dog hair, but I believe he got 2 kids or something like that. So it definitely got debris from kids, and you can see it, you know what I mean, look in the doors, things like that. So we're gonna go out here, get it cracking, knock it out, do what we do best. We still got 2 more appointments to go do. Hopefully it don't rain today, because they had rain in the forecast. We still gotta go do Infinity truck, then we gotta go do a Yukon Denali, then we gotta go do 3 jobs at FedEx today. But on that note, like always, I'm dedicated in the process. So I hope you stay dedicated to whatever you're doing, man. Yeah, I got on these short old shorts, man. Got my knees showing. But regardless of that, man, I'm gonna go ahead and knock out this car. And on that note, man, peace. Detail World, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. It took us a while to get this car done. Probably took us about an hour, 45 minutes to get it done. But On that note, the car looks great. I'm hot, sweating like crazy, but car looks good. I'm about to go ahead and let him know he can come on down, check out the car. Like I said, it don't really take much to clean them, but you also just want to make sure you're doing the job correctly. You know what I mean? Because you know, you look at all these doors, there's a lot of stuff to wipe down, get in the pockets, a lot of stuff to vacuum. You got to wipe down the seats, you got to get in the back, you got to wipe the back of the seats, you got to vacuum the mats, under the mats, things like that. So it's a very tedious job, man. But like I say, I take so much pride in what I do over here. So you already see that the job is completely done. We got the car knocked out. We're gonna go let them know, come on, so we can go ahead and head to the next stop, which is probably about 10-15 minutes from here, but probably be 20. I'm gonna stop and get something to eat. Brother is hungry, and I do need to start eating more, especially with the sun shining. But regardless of that, man, I'm gonna go ahead and park this car, let him know, come on down, head to do this next car so I can be on time, and I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We made it to the third stop of the day. We doing this Nissan Armada. I already knocked out the whole exterior, already did everything on the exterior. Now I'm about to just focus on the interior. Interior not really that bad, but you know, with the sun blasting like this, I try to make sure, try to get out of the sun and get the car done as quick as possible. I'm finna get in here, do typical debris, little sticks, little twigs, little hair here and there. But I'm going here, wipe down, vacuum, do my thing, you know what I mean? Yeah. But I'm hoping y'all having a great day. If you look back there, look like they doing a little harvesting. I'm not sure what they're harvesting or what they're doing. But yeah, you got the big tractor back there. I'm not sure what actually grows back there. But if you look at the interior car, like I said, it's not bad. It's a good wipe down, good cleaning, good that, and then we got one more car to go do, and then we might get the FedEx if it don't rain. But you see the tractor back there doing some work. So on that note, I'm about to go ahead and do some work, and I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We didn't finish this Nissan Armada. Got it completely done. Car looking immaculate, looking great. Got a shine to it. Gave it a nice exterior cleaning with a wax. There in the interior, we gave it a nice detail. But the car came out fine. She's definitely gonna be enthused with the work like always, man. We take so much pride in the work we do over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So we hope you're taking pride in whatever you do, man. But we finna go ahead and head to the next stop. Hoping it's not gonna rain, but we're gonna go ahead and do what we do, man. So on that note, catch you on the next one. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We done made it to this last stop of the day, man, which is this GMC Yukon Denali. We already did the exterior of the car. We about to go ahead and work on the interior, and if you look at the interior, it definitely need a good cleaning. It's pretty dirty in here. There's debris literally everywhere, so we'll make sure we get it here, clean the doors properly, get back here in the back, hit these doors. You see, you got stuff literally everywhere. But we're gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man. Get the car nice and clean, get it up to par, do what we do best, man. So on that note, I hope you have a great day. I already got the van partially packed up, generator out, sun shining, but not that hot. But I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man. So you already see I got everything ready, towels, all purpose, you know. But I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Let me go ahead and knock this work out because I got other things to do. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We didn't finish this last car today, man. We got it knocked out. We about to get ready to head home. Yeah, you know. Anyway, yeah, finna knock this car out, in and out. Got the whole car looking good. We already, remember the wheels looked pretty dirty. Remember, it was stuff everywhere in the car, but we got the car completely done. So we about to get ready to head home. Like I said, you know, car came out wonderful. Definitely let her know we done. We're gonna go stop at the house, and then we're gonna go do that work at FedEx. But yeah, other than that, we completely done detailing cars today. We're gonna go do this adhesive remove at FedEx. And on that note, like always, man, do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna do what I gotta do, man. Remember, one love, love thyself. You can't love nobody without loving yourself. I know y'all probably like, T.Y., why you keep saying that, but you'll understand it one day. And on that note, like always, man, peace.
Hey, T.Y.38, let me tell you something about this vlog, bro. It's unique.
Make sure you follow my boy, share all the stuff, subscribe, share it with your people, man. He's the voice of the streets, voice of the community, voice of business, voice of black culture, man. Make sure y'all listen to your boy.